There are two problems that everyone has a question on, so I'm going to work two of them for you. The first one is if you're given what one of the trig functions equals and then another piece of information about the other one. So what you have to remember is that sine is equal to y over r. So in this problem, that means y equals 4 and r equals 5. So we use r squared equals x squared plus y squared to get the rest of the information. So we put 5 in for r and 4 in for y. So we get 25 equals x squared plus 16, which means x squared equals 9, which means x equals 3. So if we were asked to find any of the other trig functions, we have all the information we need for the sides of the triangle. It's a triangle where the vertical is 4, the horizontal is 3, and the hypotenuse is 5. Then we have this other piece of information which helps us finish it out, and that means that we have to figure out which quadrant it's in. So we use this as our reference triangle, and then we figure out the quadrant. So sine is positive, everything's positive in 1, sine's positive in 2, tangent's positive in 3, and cosine's positive in 4. So in this problem, both sine and tangent are positive, so we can either be in quadrant 1. So if we were, say, looking for the cosine of theta, then the cosine of theta is equal to x over r, and x is 3, r is 5. Or we can be in quadrant, never mind, that's the only one we can be in. That's the only one where sine and tangent are both positive. If it had said that tangent is less than 0, then we would have been in quadrant 2. So if we redid this problem for tangent is less than 0, we would have been in quadrant 2, and in quadrant 2, cosine is not positive, so the answer would be negative 3/5 instead of positive 3/5. So that's the first type problem.